everybody, and now we're going to be making a paper plate spider ready for Halloween. So all you need is your paper plate. I've painted mine blue, but you can have any colour. And then for the legs, I've got some pipe cleaners. Again, you can have any colour. And some googly eyes. If you haven't got googly eyes, you can always just use them. So all we need to do, as I say, is paint your plate. I painted mine, as I say, blue, and then we just get the pipe cleaners for the legs, and we just bend it, and then bend it again, and then put them on the back of the plate, and secure with a bit of glue or a bit of tape, or even a staple. Again, we're just bending the legs, doesn't matter how you have them, and I've got 8. And then once you've got all your legs on, you just put as many googly eyes as you like on. And you end up with your paper plate spider. And if you like, you can put a hole in the top and make it a hanging decoration. Quick and easy. Thank you.